Welcome additives to the Psych Engine mod installation tutorial. I got this video suggestion from Plutonian Gamer, so shout out to them for this video happening because I wouldn't have done it without them. So really quick, I'm going to show you how the installation for mods works. They asked how to install Pluto's Reprisal, Quantum Exodus, but this works with any Psych Engine mod, so it's pretty much just a tutorial for that. So what you want to do is come to this link first. It's going to be in the description. This is the Psych Engine download link on GitHub. And for this tutorial, since it's specifically for Quantum Exodus, I'm going to be using the download that Digital Hourglass has recommended, but you can use whatever version you want for the mod you're trying to install. But for ours, we're going to scroll down and download 0.7.1h because that is the recommended one for Quantum Exodus specifically. So we can go to this and then go ahead and download it. But for the sake of this tutorial, I already did that because it would take a while. Then after that, you're going to want to come to the Quantum Exodus download page on Game Banana. This link will also be in the description. This is to actually download this specific mod, but of course you're going to go to the mod page of whatever mod you are trying to download. And then you're going to download that mod, which in this case would be coming down here, clicking that, and then clicking download, which again I have already done. Alright, now that you have the files, you're going to want to export them, so they'll both be like this respectively. And then when you open them up, Psych Engine is going to have this folder, which is then going to have all of Psych Engine in it, and Quantum Exodus, the mod, or whichever mod you're going to have, is going to have that folder, and it's going to have all of the mod assets. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this mod folder and just go over here and drag it into the mods. Now it is in this folder and it's ready to go. So if I launch up the game right now, you can see that the mod has been installed. And you can even check the mod section in the game, and you can see it is right here. So that's how you install Psych Engine mods. It's pretty easy, pretty simple. I hope this guide helped whoever saw it. And with that, I'll see you in the next video. Stay positive.